Hello viewers, hello students, welcome to this video of your online English class. In this video, I am going to discuss chapter number 2 from your English reader book, that is Mix Up at Birth. Yes, it's given on page number 12 and 13. And to understand this chapter, you have to keep in mind few terms. कुछ पॉइंट्स हैं जो दिमाग में रखोगे तो ये चैप्टर बड़ी आसानी से समझ में आ जाएगा. एंड व्हाट आर दोस टर्म्स? ऑटोबायोग्राफी, सनी डेज, सुनील गावस्कर, मिक्स अप, बर्थ मार्क एंड ईयर लोब. इतनी चीजें आप समझ जाओगे तो यू विल बी इजीली अंडरस्टैंडिंग द चैप्टर. नाउ व्हाट इज एन ऑटोबायोग्राफी? Autobiography is a book about somebody's life or somebody's life story written by the person himself. अपनी जिंदगी के बारे में कोई किताब या स्टोरी कोई लिखता है तो उसको ऑटोबायोग्राफी बोलते हैं. एंड मिक्सअप एट बर्थ, ये जो स्टोरी आप पढ़ रहे हैं, इट हैज बीन टेकन फ्रॉम एन ऑटोबायोग्राफी ऑफ द ग्रेटेस्ट क्रिकेटर सुनील गावस्कर. और उनकी ऑटोबायोग्राफी का नाम था सनी डेज. सनी डेज वॉज द ऑटोबायोग्राफी written by Sunil Gavaskar. Now who is Sunil Gavaskar? Sunil Gavaskar is one of the best and greatest cricketer from India. He is an international cricketer. He was born on 10th July 1949 in Mumbai. He holds tremendous records to his name. He was the first batsman to score 10,000 runs in Test cricket. He played for the Indian cricket team in the 70s and 80s, and he was a part of the team. He was a team member when India won the Cricket World Cup. He is regarded as the best opening batsman, one of the best batsmen the world has ever seen. Nowadays, he has retired from cricket. He does not play cricket, but he gives commentary during the matches. You must have heard, you must have seen him often in the IPL matches, in the ICC matches, in the one day international matches. So that is Sunil Gavaskar. Now, let us understand the story. Two things more to understand the story. One is mix up, adla badli, switched. Mixed up means switched, adla badli ho jana. Okay, changing places, exchange. Another is birthmark. Birthmark यानी बचपन से जो एक यूनिक मार्क, a unique mark with which a person is born, which is useful to identify him. उसको पहचानने के लिए आसानी होती है बर्थ मार्क अगर हो तो. इट इज अ यूनिक मार्क which is with a person right from his birth. That is called birth mark, identification mark. Another thing, earlobe. Earlobe, you can see this is called the earlobe. So Sunil Gavaskar has a hole in the left earlobe, and that is what the story is based on. सुनील गावस्कर के कान के ऊपर वाले हिस्से में एक छोटा सा छेद है. वो जिस दिन से पैदा हुए हैं वो छेद उसी दिन से है. बाय बर्थ, फ्रॉम हिज बर्थ, ही हैज a hole on his left ear lobe. Okay, so let us read out and understand the story. But before that, watch this video. What Sunil Gavaskar says himself. आप पहले खुद देखिए सुनील गावस्कर अपने बर्थ के बारे में क्या कहते हैं. Exactly the same story which is given in your book. Watch it.
सर हैप्पी चीजें की बात करते हैं, हैप्पी थिंग्स के बारे में, लाइक योर बर्थ. I've read about it a couple of times. The switched at birth theory.
Not theory. What do you mean theory? You know, no theory.
Conspiracy
It's
theory.
a fact. A fact.
See, you were too young, how you don't remember.
See, there's a hole here. In my ear.
Yeah.
You see this little bit?
Yeah, I see it.
So, day one, the day I was born, this uncle came to see, and he noticed this. A few days later, when he came to visit my mother, and my mother was in a general ward, you know, not a special room. Those days, you know, they picked the baby up, didn't see this, and said, "Well, this is not our baby."
Yeah.
Because we'd got switched at the bath. So then they went round the entire the ward over there. So this is it, and they said to the authorities that, look, our baby has a little hole.
Yeah.
And so they went and they saw, and then they found me next to a fisherwoman. So life is such, you know. I mean, because look at that. Because it was the fisherwoman. I was next to a fisherwoman, and you look at my career.
Yeah.
How many times I've been caught fishing outside the off stop.
बस बिल्कुल यही कहानी है जो कि आज हम लोग डिस्कस करने वाले हैं. When Sunil Gavaskar was born, he had a small hole on his left earlobe. So when he was exchanged, जब होते हैं तो सारे बच्चे एक जैसा दिखते हैं ना, तो ये क्या हुआ, बदल गए किसी और के बच्चे के साथ. He was exchanged with a fisherwoman's son. When the babies were brought after giving them a bath, तो सुनील गावस्कर को सुला दिया एक फिशर वुमन के पास, और फिशर वुमन का बच्चा लेकर के सुला दिया सुनील गावस्कर की मम्मी के पास. तो इनके जो अंकल थे नारायण मसुवेकर, नान काका जिनको बोलते हैं, he had noticed that hole. When he picked up the baby, he told, ये बाबा, ये तो हमारा बच्चा नहीं है, इसके कान में तो छेद है नहीं. So there was a frantic search. सब लोगों ने हॉस्पिटल में घूम घूम के खोजा, और लास्ट में सुनील गावस्कर कहाँ मिले? He was lying peacefully beside the fisher woman. So that was how he was exchanged during his birth. अगर उस दिन नान काका नहीं आए रहते तो सुनील गावस्कर को कोई पहचान नहीं पाता, and he could never have become a cricketer, isn't it? वो फिशरमैन बन जाते फिशर वुमन के साथ. So now let us read the story and understand it. Here we go. I may never have become a cricketer, and this book would not have been written if my uncle Narayan Maswekar had not come into my life the day I was born, July 10, 1949. That means if Nankaka had not come to hospital on the day when Sunil Gavaskar was born, then Sunil Gavaskar would never have become a cricketer. Why? Because he would have been exchanged with a fisherwoman. और फिशर वुमन के साथ जब वो एक्सचेंज हो जाते तो जाहिर सी बात है क्रिकेटर के जगह वो फिशरमैन बन जाते, isn't it? It seems that Nan Kaka, as I call him, on my who had come to see me in the hospital on my first day in this world, noticed a little hole near the top of my left ear lobe. So Sunil Gavaskar says Nan Kaka came to the hospital on the day when Sunil Gavaskar was born. He picked up the baby and he noticed that Sunil Gavaskar had a hole on his left ear lobe. The next day he came again and picked up the baby lying in the crib. Crib, you know? Crib is a small bed made for babies. बच्चों के लिए जो एक पालना बना हुआ रहता है, that is called crib. The baby lying in the crib next to my mother. The next day he came again and picked up the baby lying in the crib next to my mother. सुनील गावस्कर नहीं थे, दूसरा बेबी था जो कि उनके मदर के पास पड़ा हुआ था. To his utter horror, horror means fear, horror means घबरा जाना, to be worried, fear. To his utter horror, he discovered that the baby did not have the hole. इसके तो कान में छेद ही नहीं है रे बाबा. तो ये हमारा बच्चा नहीं है, ये तो सुनील गावस्कर है नहीं. The baby did not have the hole on his left earlobe. A frantic search was made and I was located sleeping peacefully beside a fisherwoman, totally ignorant of the commotion I had caused. Ignorant means having no knowledge. Commotion means disturbance or fuss, a confused and noisy situation. Okay, and frantic means wildly excited. Okay, so why was everybody excited? Because Sunil Gavaskar had been exchanged with a fisher woman's son. Now let us read further. How did the mix up happened? बच्चे कैसे बदली हो गए? Let us read. The mix-up, it appears, followed after the babies had been given bath. I am grateful to my uncle for noticing the hole, for I have often wondered what would have happened if nature had not marked me out. Nature had not marked me out means if I was not born with a birthmark. अगर पैदाइशी से ये निशान नहीं होता, नेचर ने मुझे यूनिक नहीं बनाया होता, तो शायद कोई पहचान ना पाता. Who says that? Sunil Gavaskar is saying through this story. Okay? Perhaps I would have grown up to be a fisherwoman working somewhere along the west coast. And what about the baby जिसके साथ मेरी बदली हो गई थी? What about the baby who for a spell means for a moment, spell, spell means moment, कुछ देर के लिए. Who for a spell took my place? The baby took the place of Sunil Gavaskar when the exchange took place. बच्चों की अदला बदली. Yes, I do not know if he is interested in cricket or whether he will ever read this book. सुनील गावस्कर वंडर्स कि वो कैसा रिएक्ट करेगा अगर ये किताब पढ़ेगा तो. I can only hope that if he does, he will still start taking a little more interest in cricket. कभी अगर वो किताब पढ़ लिया तो शायद उसको क्रिकेट में ज़्यादा इंटरेस्ट आए. This is how the story ends. Read the story nicely, learn all the meanings and complete the exercises given in your book. Thank you.